What's up guys, welcome back to Race Spec, and today is one of those maintenance videos. As you know, I usually get my maintenance done at Newport Lexus, but a factory air filter is like $85, which happens to be the same price as this Tom's Racing filter. So we're gonna go ahead and I guess open it up and see what it's worth and install it on the car. But first, alright, so let's go ahead and head over to Parker's house, and I'm going to see if I can trick him into washing the RCF because it's quite dirty, and to be quite honest, it's his fault. So let's see if we can make do. Yo, should we do a pull right now? I think we should do a pull right now. Alright, y'all ready? Yo, that was sick! Check it out. Ah, it's not a 5.0. It's a little eco boost. I don't want to scare him. But yeah, we're almost here at the Parker's house. I like this car. Makes me happy. Or then I already am. Yo, dude, this guy conveniently has a hose with him. What's he up to? What's up, big boy? What's up, man? Hey, do you notice how dirty our car is?
About to clean it.
You should wash it.
Roll the window.
Let me roll the window up. No. Oh, dude, I'm getting wet from the top because it got soaked.
Not the only time you've been wet around me.
Yeah, that one time I was hanging out with Haley.
It's light, dude.
Yeah, I know, man. You think it's gonna rain tonight?
Doesn't look like it.
Yo, check it out. Is it? Oh, these things get hot, bro. That's pretty ill. I guess titanium gets hot, dude. The other mufflers didn't do that.
Watch them like crack, dude.
I mean, we have extra ones, right? Somehow. Alright, kids, say no to fake titanium. sorry, Father McPherson. Alright, so we're out here at the Parker residence. It's always good having him home from Utah. Get some dope content once he moves back in.
Whoa, your brakes are smoking too.
I know, dude. I just kind of drive like a a-hole sometimes. All the time, but oh man, thank God. No, don't soak me, dude. So how was the conversation with your homie?
Conversation with my homie? You mean my ex's dad? It was great.
Dude, this guy like befriends his girlfriend's dads, and he keeps hanging out with them after he breaks up with the girls. Like,
it's great though, connections.
Nah, he's literally just flexing on his ex-girlfriends is what he does.
Yeah, you're right. I got a spy. I got to keep up tabs.
I gotta keep tabs? You're insane. Don't let your daughter date this man.
Kinda does, doesn't it, with the rear end?
Dude, they used to mistake our car for a GTR, now they mistake it for a Supra.
It's just too mistakenable. It's just getting exotic.
Is that a Supra? Yeah, we need exotics for sure, dude.
Then they're unmistakable.
But at the same time, it's like, people just don't know what this car is, and that's not a bad thing. But yeah, guys, Tom. Oh yeah, Tom's. I need to show you guys that. Look, Parker's neighbor's pulling up. He's gonna say something. Nah, he ain't saying nothing. Oh yeah, Parker. True purpose of this video, we're swapping out my air filter, which had to have been swapped like over 1,000 miles ago, but you know, like
you lost your plug at Lexus.
Shh, I don't know about that yet. So anyways, for the 30,000 mile service, they do an oil change and like a cabin air filter and an air filter. But you see this is Tom's Super Ram 2 Street air filter thing.
Oh.
Yeah, dude. So like OEM air filter, like the parts cost is $85, and she couldn't hook it up on parts cost, just labor, you know. This is like the same price. I think it was maybe like $97 shipped.
Why? Why so much for an air filter?
I don't know. Just
does it like gain horsepower?
I don't know. Tom's is like a prestigious Japanese racing thing.
Is it like bikinis where like the less you buy, the more expensive it is?
I don't know, dude, but we'll check it out. So a little bit of background info on Tom's for you guys. Let me just store this air filter first. Yeah, dude, this is air filter, who cares? Anyways, Tom's Racing, they're apparently big in Japan, I guess. They make splitters and stuff for this car. I know they make splitters, I think they make an exhaust, they make like a steering wheel and air filters too. I think they make it like an intake pipe. But here, the problem with Tom's, like our buddy Ignacio in one of the other videos, you can check out his car, they put their name on everything. Like if you get their carbon fiber steering wheel, it says like Tom's, like on the steering wheel, like. And same with like the splitters. Like if you get a Tom's splitter, like on the little winglets down here, it'll have a huge plaque right there that says Tom's. And like apparently there's some Japanese dude called Tom, or he goes by Tom, but I don't know, Parker, I don't know if I'm spending $1,500 on a side splitter or a front splitter.
I wanted to say Soria.
I don't want some dude's name on there, bro. Like, and then you're gonna have like a girl get in their car and you're gonna be like, who's Tom?
Who's Tom? This isn't your car.
Who's Tom? Right? Like, is that the guy that paid for this? Like, no.
But yet if it says like Lamborghini or McLaren, you want it to say that.
You want it to say that, yeah. But yeah, that's a little bit of background info on Tom's. They make good products, obviously, that's why I bought that, but yeah. That's why I don't have any other products from them, because I don't want their name all over my car. But yeah, we'll go ahead and open this actually while this guy's washing the car. So unboxing video coming soon. Alright, so since I'm extremely efficient at unboxing, seeing as Christmas just passed, I know, you have to vlog with one hand and unbox with the other. So it's like a red filter-ish kind of thing. It says something there. But look at it, it's got like, it's actually really interesting because it's not like an air filter, it's like it's literally foam. It's got like black foam right here and then red foam, and that appears to be it. I don't think there's anything else in there. So I'll show you guys the stock one. It's like really thick and restrictive because whatever. These cars don't really gain any power from an intake, so I haven't done any, and I've had my hood popped, so I don't want one. But yeah, so I think the purpose of this is literally just foam so stuff doesn't get into the engine. Supposedly flows way better than an actual filter. Oh look, it's made in the UK. Samantha, did your uncle make this? Hey, by the way, Parker loves my friend Sam, don't you? My British.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you love her, don't you?
She's great. This is gonna be on the internet. She's great.
She's great. She's amazing.
Yes.
Yeah, you better hope I'm not single when she moves back to the States.
Let's hope not.
Dude, how much better do these wheels look clean?
Oh, you're welcome.
I know. You gotta get the barrel too, though. You gotta like. No, don't worry about it, dude. We'll wash it correctly in like
Correctly, we are washing.
A few days, dude. You have any idea how dirty these things are gonna look with us mopping these next few days?
These next few hours.
Hours, yeah. Realistically, it's gonna get dirty like today. Yeah, dude. You're gonna trip out when you see this little air filter. It's literally just foam. It's like.
You sure it's not a cabin filter?
No. Parker, it says Tom's High Performance Sports Filter.
So it still could be a cabin filter.
I don't know, man. There's nothing sporty about a cabin filter, if you ask me. We'll find out. We'll find out. Oh, we have some updates on the single cab. That's all your old stuff. See what's going on with it. Ooh, the cam's in.
Round two. Hey guys.
Hey, how are you? Oh, frick, I wasn't filming any of that. Whatever. Whatever, it's useless banter anyways. But yeah, guys, before, my other mufflers wouldn't do that, so. I don't know.
So, it's like the worst commentary I've heard.
I know. Do what? What it did before?
They just don't do that. You should know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I don't know, man. Yeah, the other mufflers wouldn't get that hot, and I drive it longer. So maybe it's just
not hot, dude. It's just water. Plus, you never wash your car anyways. You always take it to Lexus.
The Lexus. First of all, Miranda did not wash my car the last three times I took it.
Right, and then after that, it gets hand washed every time. So.
No, literally did not get washed the last few times I went there.
That's because she was quitting. So
yeah, she was being useless. She owes me a drink, or 5,
or 6.
all right. She did buy me a beer last time. So yeah, dude, we got all this stuff.
Let's be real. You bought her a beer. Come on.
No, I didn't actually.
She bought you a beer.
Well, yeah, because I drove her to this, watch her friend play guitar at some
All the way up in
taco
LA.
place. No, in Costa Mesa. It was like the whitest thing of my life, but it was an experience.
An experience. That's one way to look at it.
Yeah, dude. I'm always open to new things, whether or not I like them.
Are you going gay on me?
No, what hey, that's wishful thinking on your end.
You're open to
Hey,
new things, hey. That's not me.
Hey, I know you're single right now, and single T is in Utah.
Yeah.
But no need to come on to me, bro.
I already have one single tea in my lap. I don't
So-
need another one, bro. Keep it to yourself.
So that's why he's washing my car, eh? No wonder it was so easy to get him to do this. You got ulterior motives, boy.
Me. Let's see it.
It's a boy. Okay, Parker, we're about to see how easy this air filter install is gonna be.
Or not easy.
Yeah, dude, I don't know. It can't be that hard, right? Ugh. I love working on cars with one hand. Can't be too bad. Alright, so we got one clip out. 2 clips out. I think that's it. Maybe I can wiggle it out now. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put the camera down.
Oh, yeah. I mean, yeah, we would let it.
Yeah.
Ooh. Did you hear that?
What?
Look at all those rocks. Keep it up. Keep it up. Look at that, dude.
Why are there so many rocks in my intake?
That's horrible.
It's not good.
Oh, you have a secondary filter?
I guess that's. I don't think that's like one that you replace.
I don't think so. Look at all those rocks. You see that?
There's a lot of rocks in there, man. They're all coming in from here. Woo.
Would do it.
We know I
Those look
told.
like, those are black. Those look more. Are those? Are any of them? Are they rubber chunks?
No. From doing donuts, you get in your air filter?
I do not do donuts.
They're rocks.
You're right. You are
They're
very
rocks.
smooth and not reckless ever.
Yeah, ever.
Particles.
You know, I was telling you guys that everything they make says Tom's everywhere. I didn't even see this when it was in the packaging.
Too much.
Is that Tom's?
Too much.
I can't tell.
I don't know. I don't know what brand this is. But yeah, it's got like 3 little layers.
Swap.
A red one, a black one, and a blacker one.
Red one, a black one, and a blacker one.
Yeah.
That's some great commentary.
I
Man,
know.
you're on fire with this video today.
Yeah, dude. This is just me being me. I haven't eaten anything all day.
Hey, this says high performance.
Yeah, Parker said that was a cabin air filter. What kind of filter? What kind of cabin air filter needs to be a sports filter?
What did you drop
For
down there?
this.
What is
For this, right?
For
What's
this.
that?
You dropped something down there. That's like a clip. It was in your intake.
Oh, nice. Yeah, we need that. We couldn't find it the other day. Chaka and I, aka Jose. Yeah, look at these next to each other. Kind of like. Yeah, man.
Yeah, one's red.
Yeah, we're gonna get 1 horsepower. Wait. Is the Tom's right side up?
Gotta make sure we can.
No,
read
it's gonna
it.
be upside down.
No.
Yep.
No, we gotta be able to read it.
Yeah, we gotta read it, dude. Just in case these haters want to go through my engine.
Well, hopefully haters never have to go through this engine.
They're gonna look for the nitrous, man.
The haters?
Yeah, the hate, because they're haters, obviously.
Okay, I don't know how that goes back on there.
Oh,
But
it just like comes on.
no.
Just hit it.
I broke it. Oh, today's the 26th.
It's Monday.
It's Monday.
Go home Monday morning.
Something like that.
All right, so we put it
Monday
back in.
morning,
Honestly, air filter install super easy.
Okay, I cannot pick you up Monday morning.
Like I could probably do it in like 3 minutes
That's gonna be a work day.
if I don't have to film.
maybe. Okay.
Okay, maybe 5 minutes. I don't know, or like half an hour. I have to drink a Corona.
No, just
But yeah, that's basically it.
Okay.
Here, I'll turn it on and make sure this works.
Turn. Better shut the hood. I'm leaving.
No, you're not going nowhere.
All right.
Well, this idiot's gonna try and go forward and he's gonna run over his own. Nice, it works. I think we did a good job, Jeff. It's working, so that's a good sign.
Didn't explode?
It didn't explode, yeah. Or I think it's working. It just hasn't made any. No rocks have gone into the engine yet.
Breathing good.
It's doing something. Okay, so that's our video for the 8 Yeah, he's just trying to be funny. But yeah, this filter.
Film the exhaust.
Yeah, but it's like all the way over there. Could you believe that a stock air filter is $85 at the dealership?
That's crazy.
That's what.
Doesn't sound that good. There's that extra 5 horsepower right now.
Yeah, actually, no, it lost power because it sounds quieter. Guys, I don't know. I was about to be like, you might as well get the Tom's filter. It's just as expensive, but we might have lost power. No, but actually, like, I don't know. If you go to the auto parts store, you might be able to get one of those micro guard or Wix filters for like. Actually, it's probably gonna be like $50. They like to tax everything, especially if they know the price is $85. They don't want like 50. But honestly, just get one of these. Like, whether it does something or not, I don't know. It's not dyno proven, but I don't know. You have a dude's name in your airbox. How could that go wrong? Hey, do not air it out, dude. The wheels aren't straight. That's how you bend fenders. Yeah, they're straight.
About the same size as the Accord cabin air filter.
Well, they're both Japanese cars. So
Yeah,
it makes sense.
so-
Oh, cabin air
Hey,
filter.
look at that.
Oh wow,
And the headlight dust.
that's a lot.
Jeez.
It's not like Parker just washed a car or anything.
Yeah, let me get it all up on the.
Parker, your dad ruined your labor.
Blowing it.
Alright, Parker. I think that's it for this video, guys. Nice shades, dude. Shady Secret. You should buy some. Support my friend Christiana and his girlfriend Twisted Michelle. Oh, nice. Well, why are you doing? You gotta come on. Parker needs to do this. Dude, bro, they're $50. It's not a bad deal, huh? They're pretty high quality. Whatever. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Probably should have said that in the beginning of the video. Alright guys, anyways, thank you so much for watching. That was the engine air filter install with our boy Parker. Yeah, dude, we messed up, but yeah, Merry Christmas or Merry whatever by the time this video is uploaded. And yeah, get you one. Once again, it cost like $85. Also, guys, if you want to get your free decal, go on our merch store down below at www.racespec.com. Use discount code FREEDECAL and you'll get your decal. And we only made a few of them, so get them while supplies last. Made by Parker, aka your South County decals, right?
Get out of here.
Your Freedom decals?
Get out of here.
Which one are you?
Get out of here.
All right.
American_decals.
American_decals. There we go. Oh, this old right here. Literally right there. American_decals.
Yes, them.
Yeah, contact him for dope decals. Well, unless you just get my decal for free. So,
Sweet.
anyways, guys, see you later. Peace.